Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can make your audio on the video sounds muffled with Capcut application. So you already prepared the video itself, but there is no audio yet, and I would like to add some audio on it. I would like to add the overlay, the voiceover, so that it can be much more easier. So just go click audio and click voiceover, and let's just record it by hold the button. How to make audio sounds muffled on the Capcut. Okay, I already got this video with audio. Let's just check it first. How to make that is the normal and original audio. Now let's make it become muffled. You just need to tap into the audio section and you just need to go click this voice effects. In this voice effect, just go click retro and you just need to find megaphone on this effects. Go click it. How to make an audio. That is the result. Go click the checklist button and now your audio sounds muffled already. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.